here at Globeware say thank you, and you're doing a wonderful job. Today we're going to show you a new project we have in store called a tire cooker. And we hope that these few inexpensive materials can help better the community.
The practical and inexpensive materials used include a square piece of wood, one tire, a cooking pot painted black, and a square plane of glass.
These four pieces, the glass, the pot, the tire, and the wood, will assemble the oven.
Begin with the wood base board and place it flat on the ground. On top of that, place the tire and then position the pot with food inside the tire. Finally, carefully place the glass on top of the pot.
We want to make sure that the glass is big enough to cover the opening of the tire, and make sure that the pot is painted black, and also that the baseboard is big enough to cover the bottom of the tire. There's no maintenance and it's completely solar powered, so it means it doesn't need fire. The environment should be flat and there should be direct sunlight.
We hope that this project will benefit your community.